My LG fully automatic washing machine model WM3670HVA has a leak issue from somewhere. This happened when we had multiple overloads. Usually, you never overload the washing machine. And if you do, this is what happens. So I checked all the parts to see from where it's leaking from. I saw from the outside, like the lower cover cap, drain plug, drain pump filter, drain hose, dispenser, door, drum, etc. to check the leak. So I removed all the parts to check inside. This is how it looks when removed, the top parts and cove. And this is what I found. It was a pipe on the back left end that was detached due to overload. The motor is good for 10 years, and LG will replace it if you show them the purchase receipt. But these parts we need to be careful while we use the LG or any other washing machine. Make sure you empty your pockets before you put them for washing. The video is clear to see how to fix the leak issue if you face the same kind of problem.